We're now going to move on to another set of operators. These are the comparison operators. So we're going to leave the arithmetic operators for a second and look at these comparison operators. So we have this greater than sign, that's the greater than operator. This less than sign, that's the less than operator. We can say greater than or equal to. This takes two characters, a greater than and then an equal sign. Less than or equal to. To compare whether two values are equal to, you use two equal signs, not one equal sign. We'll see that the one equal sign is the assignment statement, and that's something we'll learn about later, and it's something completely different. We have a not equals using an exclamation mark and an equal sign. So that's how we tell Python we want to say something is not equals. So for all of these comparison operators, they will evaluate as true or false. And the way you use them is by placing some number to the left, then some number to the right, and then executing the statement, and that will evaluate it as true or false. Let's just go ahead and see a few simple examples. So if we want to compare 10 and say 3, 10 is greater than 3. So this is really asking Python, is 10 greater than 3? Is that true or false? So when we execute that, you'll see that it does evaluate as true. Of course, if we say is 10 greater than 20, well, that is false. And then the less than operator works the same way. We say 5 is less than 9, that is true. If we say 5 is less than 5, is 5 less than 5? Well, no, that's not true. 5 is equal to 5, it is not less than 5. If you do 5 is less than or equal to 5, so this is the first time we're using two, or actually we've used two characters before in operators for the floor division character, or floor division operator. So less than or equal to is another one that uses two characters consecutive in a row. So this will evaluate as true. This is saying, is it less than or equal to? So it is equal to, so that means this will evaluate as true. You can test equality of two numbers with equals equals like this, so this will evaluate as true. Of course, let's say 1 equals, is 1 equal to 10? No, that is false. And then finally, not equal to. So is 1 not equal to 10? That is true. So that is the not equal to operator. All of these are binary operators. So we talked about that previously. Binary means there's two arguments, something to the left and something to the right. So in this case, in this expression, 10 is to the left. That is the first argument, and 3 is to the right. That is the second argument. So these are the 6 comparison operators, and they all evaluate as true or false.